So, welcome students. Let us proceed with remaining part of the exercise 2.2. So, if we consider third question, we will have polynomial in the form 6x square minus 3 minus 7x, and when we compare this polynomial with general equation ax square plus bx plus c, then we comes to know either you rearrange it or write directly. On comparing and sometimes it has been given this is middle term, this is middle term. So can we compare like this? No, we cannot compare like this. We will compare coefficient of b. In earlier I had written this on comparing coefficient of x square, x and constant term. So either you write this equation in this form 6x square minus 7x, this, or you need not to compare, you can do this. So on comparing you come to know if you make positive sign in between and you come to know on comparing a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, while c is equal to minus 3. This we get on comparing. After that, for zeros of the polynomial, we will again consider the polynomial and we will find out the factors. For that we need to multiply. There is 18 and 18 can be broken as 9 and 2, so that if we subtract, I told you if you don't know this middle term splitting, I will make a separate video for you if you tell me this. So 6x square, because everything is not possible to consider each and everything directly, although my first vision is to complete your course as soon as possible. So when we 9x plus 2x minus 3, we will take 3x common, we will get 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. Then we will have these two as a factor. Therefore, alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. You can write directly. You can write here alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, while alpha beta is equal to c by a. So verification LHS, alpha is 3 by 2 and beta is minus 1 by 3. When you subtract 7 by 6. Now RHS, if you do RHS, so please pause the video and note it down. So I have managed the space here. I don't have very big board, so you need to understand this thing very carefully. Now we had proved LHS. Now for RHS, we will put B by A. Am I right? Consider sign as well, minus B by A. And when you put value, B is minus 7, A is 6. You will get 7 by 6. LHS equal to RHS, therefore 1 is verified. 1 is verified. You can give name here only, so you did not. Why we name in mathematics? So that we cannot tell exact name of the equation. Sometimes equation is so big that we cannot write whole equation every time, so we provide the names. You can, if you don't want to provide names, it can be workable, but if you provide names, then it would be much better. First का verification हो गया, and verification चल ही रहा है. We need to write second, then LHS alpha into beta. Alpha is 3 by 2 and is minus 1 by 3. You will get minus half directly, minus half, and C by A. C is what? C is minus 3, and while A is 6, you will get minus half. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Hence second is verified. Please pause the video and note it down. Now we will compare this equation with general equation AX BX C, and here variable is U. So you can also take equation like this: AU square plus BU plus C. On comparing coefficient of U, you will get A is 4, B is 8, while C is 0. So for 0 of polynomial, for 0 4u square plus 8u, you will take 4u common, you will remain with, then therefore alpha is 0 while beta is minus 2. When you put 4u equal to 0, when you put 4u equal to 0, u is 0, therefore alpha is 0. While when you put u plus 2 equal to 0, u is minus 2. Don't worry, students, regarding alpha and beta. Alpha and beta can be new for you, but these are chosen as the roots of the polynomial, so that need not to write different names by other peoples or across the world. So make it similar situation everywhere. it has been given names. Name कुछ भी दिए जा सकते हैं. That's why it has been chosen. Okay, so alpha and beta are the roots. Sometimes you take roots as x1, x2, sometimes xy. That's why these are the values of x. Zeros are the values of x, and we name it alpha and beta. Now, so we have found this. Now we know alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus by. You can do like this. LHS, यहीं पे हम लोग वेरिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं. वेरिफिकेशन, LHS is alpha plus beta, that is 0 plus minus 2 minus 2. RHS alpha into beta, what? Sorry, minus b by a. Minus b by a means eight by 4, and we have to also apply this minus. Then answer is minus 2, since LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, now again considering alpha beta is equal to c by a. LHS alpha is what? 0. 0 into minus 2. This is 0. And RHS c by a. C is what? 0 and a is 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. हमने निकाल लिया. So please pause the video and note it down. So you know very well how to solve questions of zeros, and these two questions are there. So I am doing it very fast. Alpha, you can write t minus 5 and what? Under root 5 t. This is not t minus 5, sorry for that. T is given and c is given. So t square, put it equal 0, then you will get t square is like this. So, but you can put plus and minus. Therefore, directly you can say alpha is plus root 5 while beta is minus root 5. Okay. On comparing with which equation? With which equation? A square, b square, c square, a square plus bx plus c. You can get at square plus bt plus c. What? A is 1 while b is 0 and c is minus 15. Okay. We know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So LHS वेरिफिकेशन करेंगे हम लोग. Alpha is what? Plus root 15 and beta is minus root 15, that is 0, while RHS is minus b by a. 0 being 0 by 1 is again 0. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Also, this is first, and second, what? Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. LHS alpha is root 15 into minus root 15, that is 15, while C by A, C is what? C is nothing, minus 15, and A is 1, and it is minus 15, but these are not same. What is the problem in this? We have ignored, we have not taken minus, this minus, so therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. For this, on comparing, you can directly write on comparing A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 4. Okay. For zeros, when you split this equation, you will get 3x square minus what? 4 minus 3 minus 4, and 3x square minus 4x plus minus 4, taking x common, 3x minus 4, taking 1 common, 3x minus 4. Therefore, it can be written as x plus 1 and 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. Okay. Now, therefore, roots are minus 1 and 4 by 3. Sorry. Minus 3x minus 4, we will have 3x square plus 3x minus 4, taking x common, like this, 3x minus 4, x plus 1. So when you have this, you have this, therefore alpha is equal to 4 by 3 and beta is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we know alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Verification, LHS is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha is 4 by 3 plus 1, that is of minus 1. Minus 1, this is comes out to be 1 by 3. This is minus b by a. Minus b means, minus b is minus, and a is 3. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Now, this is first verification. Second, we know that alpha beta is equal to C by A. So, considering LHS, alpha into beta is 4 by 3 into 1 is 4 by 3, while RHS C by A, that is nothing but minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3, but we again haven't taken the minus sign of, we haven't considered minus sign of this, so this is minus, this is, comes out to be, this implies that LHS equal to RHS. We have written alpha beta, so you need to convert one into beta. Okay, don't worry for that. So some mistakes are bound to happen because I have to cover your course, and that's why don't worry regarding that. Let me know if something is there. So we have alpha beta in this manner, then we verified and has verified. Your question number first is completed. Now we will do second question. Now this is the question for you. Second question for your exercise. Find a quadratic polynomial with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros. The question requires to find out polynomials. These polynomials. When you know the roots of this polynomial can be named as alpha and beta. And you also know equation in the form of alpha and beta, and you need to put 1 or k. Similarly, I have given you one more one more in terms of sum. Then you can also plus c. What is sign? What is sign? Which sign? Negative. And what? X square. K. And when in both the cases k is 1, k is integer, and the value of k doesn't alter the value of alpha and beta. So if k is 1, we can write x minus alpha, and it is a simpler case. It is a simpler case because in most of the cases you will get value of a is 1 at your level, but when you go for competition you will be given different cases. That's why. So don't take these are the same. When k is 1, you can put k accordingly. Okay, so first solution, you are given alpha is equal to 1 by 4 and beta is equal to minus 1. Am I right? No, I am not right. That's why I have elaborated the lecture. Look what has been given to you. Sum and product. This is not alpha and beta. This is not alpha and beta. This is, how can you proceed? You proceed, let alpha and beta be the zeros of polynomial. Yeah, required polynomial. Therefore, sum is alpha plus beta, sum of the root, what? 1 by 4, and product of the root, what is? That is minus 1. And we know equation for quadratic polynomial. I am writing QP, but you will not write this. You will write completely QP. You know equation for QP with alpha plus beta and Yeah, we can say with alpha and beta as roots, be what? This equation is there. What? This equation. Okay, let us remove k from here, then we see. Now put values x square minus 1 by 4x and minus 1. Now, my dear students, we can put value of k. So this can be written like this and this can be written like this. And we have 4 in the denominator. So if we multiply, another value of k can be, so we can, if either you put k here or you can write, you can write k directly and you will put k here 4, so that you can avoid, let k is 4. When k is taken as 4, you will get 4x square minus x minus 4. So you can, I propose you to consider with always k, so that if there is no denominator in this equation, you can give value 1 to the k. Otherwise you can provide suitable value so that any number comes in the denominator get cancelled out. Okay, this is the solution. So second question. We know alpha beta. So equation is, required polynomial is k x square minus alpha plus beta, means sum of the root x plus c 2. This is a general form of equation, and we know alpha plus beta here is root 2 and alpha beta is, on putting values we will get, on putting values polynomial is what, k equal to x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3, let k is 3. So required polynomial is, therefore what you will get, 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 1. This is the answer. Now this is the second. Third one is alpha beta is 0, so you can, I am doing directly k x square, that is 0x and root 5. Let k is equal to 1. The polynomial is, therefore polynomial is x square plus root 5. Okay. Question number 4. I'm putting values k x square minus 1x plus 1, and required polynomial, take let k is 1, then x square x plus 1. You can also don't take k, then it can be workable. There is no need to take k. Like question 5th, you need to take k because denominator is there. So in the cases where denominator is there, you have to take k. 5th, sum of the root is what? Minus 4x plus 1 by 4. Let k is equal to 4. You will get k square plus x plus 1. Question number 6. You can assume let polynomial be x square minus, because not when, that's why you take the concept, not mugging up. I have not taken k here because I know that there is nothing in the denominator. So you can escape if there is nothing in the denominator. Okay. So you can write x square, sum is 4 x and plus 1. Have a good day. This is a finish of your exercise. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe. Be the part of war against corona. Bye bye.